Alright folks, here we are with the Delta Ray 1 and way too windy weather. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, here, let's say, here's the Delta Ray 1. Way too windy to fly her. I've got her in advanced mode, so all she's got in her right now is the A3X. But this is kind of fun to find that wind and then kind of just ride the wind. I got her about quarter throttle. Now she's going fast now only because she's going with the wind. Now she's going against the wind, and you can see I'm about half throttle there. You can see my controller. So now I'm going slower. Yeah, look at that. Almost not controllable. But like I said, she's in advanced mode right now. Let's see if I can. There's full throttle into the wind. Oh, I'm getting dizzy. See, you shouldn't turn with your plane. You should make the plane turn within your sights. Yeah, it's really too windy to be flying these little bitty planes. But, as you can see, even 10, 15 mile an hour winds, she's handling it. You just got to be in good control. Alright, let's see if I can't get her to land here now. Pull her out some. Now, just guide her in here. Keep the nose up. Here. Alright. There she goes. Now this is a Delta wing, so it's going to be very efficient on the battery. Alright, let's see if we can't do that landing again. See, when you do it like this, if you time it just right, you could just about catch her. I don't think I'm going to try doing that though. Let's see, just riding that wind. Almost standing, not really staying still, but almost. But you got to stay right in the wind. Of course, wind changes direction on you all the time, but you stay with it. I really need to, this summer I'll come out here and be able to fly her on much calmer days of an evening. I have no wind. That'll be a blast. That really will be. Now I've got the big Delta Ray, but I've taken those brushed motors out of it, and I've put two brushless motors in it, much larger than what it calls for, and it flies on a 3-cell. Oh shoot, look at that, look at that, look at that. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? And see, she's so light. aileron, and basically you got your ailerons, and your rudders are mixed. So what you call is elevons. Or your elevator and your ailerons are mixed is actually more correctly. So it's called what you call a bank and yank. There you go. This is a great little plane. It's definitely sold as a trainer, but on a calm day, if you were to take this out on a calm day, not like today, and fly around and safe, she'd be a great trainer. Anyone could fly her, because you could fly her much lower to the ground and closer in and see what you're doing. You know, and actually higher. She's big enough where you can kind of see her if you got her a little bit high. Remember, altitude is your friend, but she can fly really slow on a nice calm day. So I really recommend this plane. She's a good-looking plane, flies really well. I'm flying in conditions that you should be flying your 1700 millimeter planes in, or giant scale planes, not these little bitty UMXs. But as you can see, in the hands of an experienced pilot, you can have fun with her. But if you're a beginner, come out here on a calm day. Calm day, like 1-2 mile an hour winds or no wind, and take her up. You will have a blast. You don't want to be so anxious that you got to get out there and fly on bad conditions just because you want to fly. Because then you'll crash and you'll get discouraged and you'll say, why did I get in this stupid hobby? I've wasted my money. Go on a calm day. Go with someone who can help you. Or get one of these planes like this that kind of can teach you with a safe on a calm day. But there we go. Okay, that's Fat Guy Flies RC signing off for right now. And I'm going to go home. I'm cold, folks. This might be Florida, but I'm cold. How's that going there? Signing off. God bless y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.